In this video, we show how to replace front system cover in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the system cover. To remove the front system cover, press the release spring on both sides of the chassis and slide it to the front and lift it from the system. To install the front system cover, align it with the guide slots on the system and slide it until the release spring is latched. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.